How to tickle someone on WeChat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can tickle someone on WeChat. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WeChat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply select the conversation with the person that you want to tickle. And once you are inside the chat, simply double tap on their profile picture in the chat window and they will receive a notification that they have been tickled. And if you want to change the default tickle message, here is how you can do it. So go back and tap on a profile icon at the bottom, and once you are in a profile section, simply tap on the arrow icon next to the QR code. And from here, simply select tickle and edit the message, and once done, you can simply tap save. And now when you tickle someone, they will see a custom message instead. And that's it. Now you know how to send a tickle message in WeChat. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.